Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Android version and backing up any current sound files. Open Settings and tap Sound and Vibration or Sounds immediately. That gets you to System Tones. Once done, scroll to Charging Sound or Advanced Sound Settings so you're ready for the next change. Make sure to grant storage permissions if you plan to use a custom file. Otherwise, the system list will restrict options. This step avoids surprises and prepares the file manager or app you'll use next. You now pick or add the new charging tone. If you choose a built-in sound, tap it in Preview to confirm loudness and length. If you want a custom file, tap Add or choose Local File and navigate with your file manager to an MP3 or OGG file. Copy it to ringtones or notifications so the system can see it. Once done, select the file in Sound Settings and press Save or Apply. You'll understand why file location matters, because Android indexes those folders for system use. You finish by testing the new tone, plug the charger in to verify the sound plays. If you don't hear it, reboot the device and reselect the tone to refresh the sound index. Also make sure Battery Saver, Do Not Disturb, or app permissions aren't blocking system sounds. Disabling them briefly can reveal the issue. If problems persist, move the file to a different system folder or convert to a compatible format and repeat. This fixes most recognition or codec-related failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.